Hola amigos, this is your Sir Ahmed once again with a new Spanish class for you. Today we are going to learn the terms Hace, Desde and Desde Hace. What is the difference between these and when and how we use these terms in Spanish? Okay, first and foremost, what these mean. Hace basically means ago, Desde since, and Desde Hace again, it can mean since or it can mean for. Now, Hace is used for specific time periods, okay, but it's a period. Like, for example, 5 minutes, 1 hour, 2 months, okay, so 2 months ago, 2 months back, 1 hour back, etc. Okay, Desde is a specific time, okay, a date, a day, a month. That's how we use this. For example, uh, since Tuesday, since last month, etc. And the last one, desde hace, it determines an action that commenced in the past and is continuing at the present moment. We use desde hace. Okay, let's do some examples to clarify the difference between the three. Okay, so hace is also used for indeterminate time periods. Okay, like a few hours ago, many years back or many years ago. It can be used in this sense also. Okay, here are some examples. Hace 5 minutos. Hace una hora. Hace 2 meses. Hace un año, a year ago, etc. Okay, and for indeterminate time periods. Okay, hace unas horas, a few hours ago. Hace muchos años, many years ago, or many years back. It can mean back as well. Okay, so some examples to illustrate how to use hace. Hace 3 días que estoy enfermo. Okay, I am sick. Okay, since 5 days back, or I am sick from 5 days ago. Hace una hora que ha salido el tren. Hace una hora que ha salido el tren. Uh, it's been 1 hour that the train left, or the train left 1 hour ago. Hace una hora que ha salido el tren. Hace una hora, one more example, hace una hora que he comido. Okay, I have eaten 1 hour ago, or I have eaten 1 hour back. Now, how do we use desde? Desde is used for a specific uh, point of time. Okay, a special day, a, a date, a day, a time, etc. Okay, like desde el martes, since Tuesday, desde el mes pasado, since last month, desde el 1 de noviembre, since the 1st of November, etc. Desde ayer, since yesterday. Okay, examples. No he hablado con Anita desde la semana pasada. No he hablado con Anita desde la semana pasada. Okay, I have not spoken to Anita since last week. Vivo aquí desde el 1 de noviembre. I live here since the 1st of November. No he salido de la casa desde el martes pasado. No he salido de la casa desde el martes pasado. I have not left the house since last Tuesday. Okay, so these are the examples of desde. Now, desde hace. Okay, it determines an action that commenced in the past and is continuing. Okay, it can be a long period. Okay, desde hace 2 años. Okay, for 2 years. Desde hace 4 meses, for 4 months. Desde hace una hora, for an hour. Desde hace 3 días, for 3 days. Examples. Vivo aquí desde hace 5 años. I am living here, I live here for 5 years. Okay, or I'm living here since 5 years or for 5 years. It can mean desde hace can translate into since also and for also. Okay, so vivo aquí desde hace 5 años. I live here for 5 years, or I'm living here since 5 years. No he visto a Juan desde hace 4 meses. No he visto a Juan desde hace 4 meses. I have not seen Juan, okay, for 4 months. Okay, so this is how these are translated, and this is how these are used. Remember, desde for a specific day, date, time. Desde el martes pasado, for example, or desde el martes, okay, since Tuesday, etc. And hace, it's a time period again, but if you're talking of not specific but slightly vague, 5 minutes, 1 year, 2 months, etc. Okay, so this is how these expressions are used. Hace, desde, and desde hace. Any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section. I will answer them for you. Continue watching my class. Continue learning Spanish with me, Sir Ahmed Raza. Until next time, hasta luego, amigos. Muchas gracias.